Hello, beautiful people. Watch this clip as I welcome you to this documentary. I call this a vlogumentary. Today I'm here to show you something very touching. But before anything else, please subscribe to the Exciting Yard YouTube channel. Now watch the second clip of this city with great and operational train system. It's beautiful, right? Yeah, I know your answer. Now look at this preview too. Imagine if we had this in Ghana, our life would be so comfortable. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you to Ghana. This is Ghana. This is Ghana. So the place you are looking at is actually a train waiting area. This is how dilapidated the place has become. People are selling tomatoes, onions, and all other vegetables. I even saw a drinking spot in a chop bar. Can you imagine? This is Ghana, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ghana. So this second place you are looking at is still the same train area. Yes, watch me walk along the rails, which have gone completely waste. This is Ghana, folks. This is Ghana. People are selling thrift clothes, what we term as faux, in these areas. This is bad. Very bad. Good Ghanaians, let's look at this from a wider angle. Can you see the cattle grazing on the rails? This is very bad. Very bad. And to the right, you could also see some sheep and goats. This is one of the numerous train stations that have been left to rot in the country. Yes, so the rails are even rotting away. The rails are rotting off. Yes, so let's take a closer look at the animals. These are sheep and goats. I can't really identify them properly, but these are ruminants, okay, that have taken over our rails, that have taken over our train stations. This is bad. Ladies and gentlemen, there is also another part of the train station, and you can see here there are no rails at all. I don't know what happened to the rails here, and the place is in a mess. The smell at that place is strong. I mean, look at those ditches. This is a very disgusting gutter that have developed at the place. Yes, you could even also see some excreta. I don't want to mention that. And people are just playing football at the train station. It's high time we solve this. Yes, I told you earlier, right? That is a chop bar and a drinking spot. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Subscribe, please.